Hi, I'm Dr. Rick Snow with Snow Holistic Health, and today we're going to be talking about metabolism. And the question is, could your slow metabolism be being caused by your thyroid gland? Your thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped gland. It sits right here at the base of your neck. Makes many different types of thyroid hormones like T4 and T3, and basically your thyroid gland governs the metabolic rate of your body and your cells. And when this gland gets tired, it can cause many problems like a sluggish metabolism, weight loss resistance, coarse hair, brittle nails, cold hands and feet, and many, many more. And what we have found is we've had several patients come in who were suspecting that their thyroid gland was their problem, and they get regular labs ran at their doctor's office. Sometimes it can be just as general as a TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, and that comes back normal, or maybe their T4 number comes back and it's in a medical range. And so they don't get treated for the thyroid issues. But what we've learned is a lot of patients, they don't have a classical pattern in their lab work for hypothyroid disease, and don't even necessarily need to be on thyroid hormone replacement, but they have what's called a sluggish hypothyroid or a subclinical thyroid problem. And what that looks like is you look normal in a medical range, but if you look at those numbers and you order a more comprehensive thyroid panel, you'll see that the thyroid markers are not in what's called optimal range. And there can be quite a gap between optimal and what's considered pathology or coming out of range in a medical interpretation. And so these patients fly under the radar for years and they don't get treated for this subclinical sluggish thyroid problem. And the good news about that is most of these sluggish thyroid problems can easily be fixed by proper changes in the diet and proper nutritional support, which will turn the metabolism back on, clear up the symptoms, help people lose weight, and get their energy back. And another problem we found with subclinical thyroid is sometimes it's the mysterious issue and why some patients cannot get pregnant. We had a really awesome testimony recently. One of the patients that came, she had been trying to get pregnant for about 6 years and just no success with that. And so we ran our holistic panel on her. One of the unique things we found is she had what we call a subclinical thyroid problem. And so we started to give her the proper nutritional support to support her thyroid gland, reduce the sugar load in her diet, change some other things in her diet. And one of the unique products we use is a product called Thytrophin PNG. And what this product does is it goes in and helps support the normal function, nutritionally supported, normal function of the thyroid gland. And it has special nucleoproteins that can reduce the stressful effects of any type of autoimmune attack. And that is another thing that we have seen is some patients don't have classical autoimmune or Hashimoto's disease, but when you look at it on a holistic panel, you can see early signs of the immune system starting to stress that gland out, which will cause that thyroid gland not to work optimally. And so we got her on the program, and just in a few months, she was pregnant. And so we were so excited about that. And that's what's interesting about holistic medicine is we're able to get to the root cause of things and change your diet and your lifestyle and really make a difference. So if you have some type of symptom or some issue that you've felt to be able to figure out what the root cause is, give our office a call at 337-478-1313. I'm Dr. Eric Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.